Alright, problems like number 20, we have to multiply and divide. So we're going to focus on the multiplying part first. So we're going to multiply the parts on top. 2 times 9 will give us 18 on top. We can do the same on the bottom. 3 times 4, so we're going to end up with 12 on the bottom. Then let's look at the x's on top and on bottom. So x squared times x cubed. Since we're multiplying, we add those exponents. Now at the bottom, there's only an x to the 6th. There's nothing to multiply with, so we're just left with an x to the 6th. And then our y's. Y to the 3rd times y to the 4th. We add the exponents. Y to the 7th. Y to the 5th times y to the 3rd. We add the exponents. We get y to the 8th. Now we need to divide. Right, so now we're simplifying these. So 18 over 12. We can divide both of those by 6. So we're going to end up with a 3 on top and a 2 on the bottom. For the x's, the bigger x is on bottom, so that's where x is going to end up. And we subtract. 6 minus 5, we just get x to the 1st. So you can put a 1 there, but you don't really have to. So I'm not going to. And then our y's, the bigger y is on the bottom, so that's where y is going to end up. 8 minus 7 is 1, so you can write a 1 there, but again, we don't really have to. So we end up with 3 over 2x times y. So one more together before you try one on your own. 21. Multiply first. So I'm going to multiply the 4 and the 6. That gives us 24. 3 times the 8 also gives us 24 on the bottom. X's. X to the 4th times x to the 7th. We add those exponents. Bottom, we don't have any exponents down there for x. So just an x to the 11th over here, so that's what we end up with. And then our last one, the y, is y squared times y to the 5th. We get y to the 7th. Y cubed times y to the 8th. We add those exponents. We get y to the 11th. Now we want to simplify. So 24 divided by 24, if we divide something by itself, that just gives us 1. So we have 1 over 1. We don't really have to write those in there. Then the same thing happens with the x's. X to the 11th divided by x to the 11th. They're the same, right? We divide something by itself, that's just 1. So those cancel out. So all we have left here are the y to the 7th over y to the 11th. The bigger y is on the bottom. And then we subtract the exponents. 11 minus 7, we get 4. And we can't leave the top blank, so although everything kind of simplified and canceled out, really it all divided to give us 1. So we're left with 1 on top. So we get 1 over y to the 4th.